Hello everyone. Let's learn some interesting words today which we generally utilize in our daily lives. So let's begin. The first one is imitate. That means to behave in a similar way to someone or something else, or copy the speech or behavior of somebody. For example, my 4-year-old son is always trying to imitate me. That means to copy me. Another interesting word is clumsy, which describes a person who is always breaking or dropping things. Example, Ravya is too clumsy. She recently spilled water. Nag, to annoy someone by continually telling or asking them to do something. Example, my wife keeps nagging me to stop drinking too much alcohol. Day off, a day's holiday. Example, I have 2 extra days off next month. Man to man, something serious or private between two men. Example, I think I need to have a man-to-man talk with you about the problems. Cheat, to behave in a dishonest way in order to get what you want. Example, she cheated in the test by copying from the boy in front. Do or die, to put forth the utmost energy and effort or else fail altogether. Example, this is a cutthroat business and you must do or die if you wish to survive. Rush hour, the time when the roads are full of traffic because people go or come back from work. Example, try to avoid rush hour traffic. Swap, to exchange. Can we swap our books for reading? Hint, a piece of advice on how to do something. I have no idea what I am doing. I could do with a few handy hints. Up to have the choice or responsibility to decide. The decision is up to you. Drawback, disadvantage or defect. One of the drawbacks of working for a big company is you have to follow a lot of rules. To fool, to trick or deceive someone. Your lies will never fool me. I can see through everything you try on. Hectic, very busy. I've had an extremely hectic day in the office today. थे ना ये कुछ interesting words? So use it or lose it. So try utilizing them in your daily life. Stay tuned for daily English learning. Bye-bye.